Making progress. Got the sill plate on. Got it marked out for the first pier inside. Now we're gonna go get the second pier set up over there, and then we got to worry about these over here. So, but Dylan's going over there grinding off the top of the bolt heads that anchor the sill plate in. So Tuesday I'm supposed to have the pea gravel to put down for the tile goes around for the drain around it. I still got to trench in the water line and the electric line. Yeah, that's where we're at. It's so much fun. Coming along.
I know. We'll get there, buddy.
Oh.
I bought a camera head for iPhone. For now. Oh, the old, yeah, little cell phone mount with a swivel through head on it. I bought that for now.
Yeah, we're having fun. They're doing most of the work. I'm just kind of supervising. So. But what are you looking for?
Hammer.
I can probably get to it. Might take me a second. So. Oh. There you go. So, I got conduit over there for the electric. Feed up over there. There's the tile and drain tube that we got to take out. So, yeah, so much fun. Yeah, that's a bunch of concrete. But, oh well, that's what we got. So, I gotta get that big piles of concrete out over there. There's still a lot of work to be done, but we'll get her done. So, I'm just thankful I have Matt and Dylan. Dylan's my son. They're here to help me. So, I'm so happy the sill plate's on though. That's a big thing right there. I mean, I could technically do the rest after the house gets set on, but just as easy to do it now. So, the only thing I'm kind of leery about is right down there is the hole to feed up to there. So, kind of leery about that. Which I don't need it all the way out here. I can take off probably 4 or 5 inches and be all right. But, all right. So, thank you all for watching Out of Time After Adventures. Keep watching. We're going to keep going. Bye.